guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I am Mac and I am in full-on summer mode. It's the beginning of June, which I don't know how that happened. I feel like it just flew already, but I thought we could spend an evening together as a girly who lives by the beach and loves Jesus first and foremost. Because you guys are my besties, I just want to do all of the fun summer things with you. Like, I want to make a little treat, I want to go to the beach, I want to paint my nails, go for a walk, Pinterest scroll, figure out a bucket list, a movie watch list, just a bunch of random little things that I thought could be fun together. The first thing we need to do is give you guys an updated room tour because I have totally coastalified my room. I'm taking full advantage of where I live, and it is very grandma core, very grandma-y, but also giving like teenage girl. Like the vibes from Aquamarine is what I'm trying to enhance. I also have the influencer hands, so let me just put those away. So yeah, let me just show you my room because a lot of stuff is on Amazon and I think it's gonna be on sale for Prime Day. So I'm gonna try to make a little Amazon link so that you guys can shop. Room tour, but first fit tour. Just was at a coffee shop for the longest time and this is just what I wore. I didn't wear this hat. I put it on so I could make a fun little video, but I should have. I'm just wearing these Free People jeans, my Reef, or I don't know what these are called. Fojo flip-flops I thrifted, this brandy top, a Cezanne necklace. All the rings are basically from Kendra Scott and Elevated Faith. And then I just thrifted this, which you guys saw, and then my Amazon frames. This is what I'm wearing. A summer watch list, which if you guys know me, you know I love Letterboxd. I'll put my Letterboxd in the description if you want to see what I'm watching. Basically, if you don't know what Letterboxd is, it's for anybody who watches movies. You can leave your ratings and reviews. You can make little watch lists. It's basically social media, but for film lovers. I love a good film. I probably watch a movie at least twice a week. I'm gonna start working on this and then I will update you guys with what we choose. I just created it, but we need a name for the list. I'm trying to think of something. Feeling like summer. And then description, movies I must watch in summer 2026. Perfect. First off, Aquamarine, classic. We have Emma Roberts, JoJo, Sarah Paxton, the trio of the century. And of course, Jake McDormand, which I've really never seen him in anything else other than this movie playing Raymond, but he was like my first crush. Actually, I think Zach and Cody, and then him. We love Raymond. This movie just makes me feel so summery and I love it. Just the ultimate teen bestie movie. Like, they're like, we don't need a man, whatever, but they're like so boy crazy and it's so cute and fun. High School Musical 2, obviously. Don't really have to say anything other than this is a great one, but it might be like the third greatest High School Musical for me. I think 3 and 1 are perfect, and then 2, love it, but I don't like the breaking up dynamic that's happening. Okay, I've never seen this one, but it's called Blue Crush, and I've heard people love it. I don't know. This just sounds like Soul Surfer without the shark attack. I'm here for it. Okay, Parent Trap, classic. The last song. That this was the movie that Liam Hemsworth and Miley Cyrus like basically caught feelings for each other and then ended up getting married. I love it. And last summer, we even had our cute turtle hatching moment. We went out there for weeks to like see these turtles hatch, and the volunteers were so kind and so cute because they would go out there every single night and pave the path. And I don't think they ever came, but I felt like we were in the movie. Mamma Mia! We love the soundtrack from Mamma Mia. Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants. The Lizzie McGuire movie. They're on summer break in this. It's so good. I actually watched that last night. I'm intrigued. I don't know if it's clean. A lot of these are clean because I do not like watching raunchy films. So I guess I'll have to let you guys know. But I mean, it looks good. Like a privileged girl and a charismatic boy, instant desire sparks a love affair, made only more reckless by parents trying to keep them apart. So it's basically like Romeo and Juliet. Dear John is so cutie, and I feel like I love this movie because the ending is not what I expected, and that's all I'll say. If you guys have not seen it, go watch it. Monte Carlo is so cutie. Honestly, one of the most wholesome movies ever. I love the sister dynamic. So cute. Okay, Now and Then. I saw this one on a TikTok and I was kind of intrigued. And so, I don't know. People said it's giving very much summer. Tuck Everlasting. It has Rory in it. People also said this is just giving very summer vibes. And I also love old-timey films like this. Letters to Juliet is also another Amanda Seyfried classic. I love this movie so much. I don't like that she low-key cheated. Don't love that, but the concept is so cute. The plot is there. Hannah Montana. You guys already know that I have definitely watched this already a couple times, but love this movie. Honestly, top 10. Soul Surfer. We love Soul Surfer. This has been one of my favorite movies for, honestly, since 2011 when it came out. It's so cute. Safe Haven. Julianne Hough in this is incredible. She is so multifaceted. I don't even get it. She can dance. She can probably sing. She's beautiful. She can act. And this movie was based on a place super close to me. And so that's really sweet and close to my heart. Something Borrowed. I also don't know much about this. I don't know how clean it is or whatever, but I thought I would add it to here because people said it was also summery. So Ramona and Beezus is a classic, and it just makes me feel good and makes me very nostalgic. I used to love this movie. It was one of my favorites growing up. And so I'm gonna be watching this for sure. Sleepover. I also watched this movie so much growing up, and I had the fattest crush on the guy in this. What's his name? I don't even know. And A Cinderella Story. This is one of the greatest movies of all time. I also forgot to add Teenage Movie. That has to be on the top of my list because it's just the best. But that is my summer movie watch list. Let me know if there's any movies that I should add to this because I would love to know your guys' recommendations. Yay! I just got changed because I'm gonna go on a walk in a little bit, but I thought that we could make some raw cinnamon rolls. I started making the filling yesterday, but I ran out of almond flour, and that's basically the base of this. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free. Praise God. The filling is just dates, maple syrup, some milk, and some protein powder. I'll put the full recipe down below. This tastes like fall. We ate it with fruit last night and it was so good. Okay, but now we have to make the dough, which it's actually really easy. You're just gonna need 3 cups of almond flour. Okay. 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. A heaping tablespoon of coconut oil melted. I do like a big one. Okay. Coconut oil in. You gotta put some elbow grease into it. I've made these a couple times and they're actually so addicting. They're so good. Okay, let's try. Yep. thing to do in the summertime is come out here and eat my dinner and just take in the warmth and listen to the birds. Little peaceful moment of the day. Tonight we're having sweet potatoes, a carrot, chicken, some cucumber, and hummus. Kind of like a Greek bowl, but missing a lot. It's so good. It's what I've been eating, I feel like, the past couple days. Okay, we got some funsy little packages. The first one is from Cider. They were so sweet and let me pick out some things. I feel literally so blessed. I cannot believe that I get free clothes. Hello? They're so cute. Wait. Why do I want to wear them right now in this moment? So stinking cute. 96 shell, 4% cotton. What is shell? Whatever it is, it's cute. Wow, she's cute. Wait, I should wear this to work tomorrow. It's like embroidered. And it says New England. That's adorable. Little baby doll top. Oh, I forgot that I picked one of these out. I have been wanting one of these. I look like I'm going for a dive. We're gonna figure out how to style that. I love the detailing with the studs. We got some little hair clippies. Look at these. I don't know how I would do this actually. Oh my. I love that. I'm gonna start using little clips like this. It's so cute and pink. I've seen these on TikTok. Hopefully they fit. Let me clean up my mess. This one is from, it says L'Oreal. Ah, what is that? There's lollipops that are in bows. Victor Rolf. I think it's a perfume. Whoa, wow. There's a lot of product in these. Oh, that one's like cream and sugar. I am very much a sweet scented girl. Like, give me a baked good rather than floral. These are really yummy. Oh, okay, that one's a little bit more on like the citrus end. Loved the orange one. Okay. Ooh, this one's like cotton candy. This one's a little bit more masculine. These are lovely. And the lollipops are so funny. Well, thank you. Gifted by Victor and Rolf. Which is very kind. Okay, now let's go get ready for the beach. Maybe I'll wear one of these cute fun tops. Took out our cinnamon roll log and I cut off a little piece and it's so good. This is delicious. I wanted to eat this with my Ninja Creamy, but I think I'm gonna eat this before. It's the best when you put sea salt on it. I feel like you can't have a proper summer night without some ice cream. And I made some coconut date honey ice cream in my Ninja Creamy that I just whipped up, and it's actually my favorite thing ever. So good. You get to eat the whole pint too, because it's just a serving, which is the best part. There's the ice cream. Oh, let's try. Yes. I had so much fun tonight. I feel like just taking yourself on a date with Jesus is so much fun. It's the best. And the sunset was actually stunning. It was like a very soft rainbow. Now we're gonna go get cozy and eat our ice cream while we pin some summer inspo on Pinterest and watch one of our films from the summer watch list.